Nature's everything, from the blue sky to the desert dry lands, from the smallest creature to the biggest tree. Nature's life. It creates almost everything, to the biggest mountain and the steep hills, to the windy palm trees and the yellow-green leaves. It creates the big round yellow sun. It's nature. It keeps you alive.